Hopefully this will be something that I can do a little bit more often. I'm just going to be playing a little bit of Rocksmith on this lovely right-handed guitar here. Alright folks, I want to test something, and unfortunately that might result in me having to restart this stream again. Please, I hope you will bear with me, as I am just not yet super familiar on this. Oops. I'm just not yet super familiar with exactly how all this works. Alright, so thanks for watching, thanks for playing, great having you here. I might be breaking the stream in 5, 4, 3, 2, and break the stream.